Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and on this Jaguar we're going to go over how you would replace your license plate lights. Now these lights are LED, so if you're replacing them, you replace the whole thing. It's not just a light bulb. But if you need to replace them, most likely you won't, but if you do, what you do is you take your pry bar or screwdriver, you got to push them over. You've got a little indent here. We got to push it away from the indent, and you're going to push it really hard. You're going to think you're almost breaking the thing, and then be able to kind of pull down to get it to come free. Right? So what you're doing is you're pushing this spring over and then being able to pop this plastic down out of the hole. So then you'll just squeeze the clamp here on the for the electric cable, and you'll get a whole new one of these to replace it. And so then you'll just take a new one, insert that until it clicks, and we go in the reverse order, putting the metal tab side in first, and you'll see that we have two kind of bigger indents up here, and that's where these align up. So you can't flip this the other way, it won't work. And then you just press it in like that, snap that into place, and that's how you would replace your license plate lights on your Jaguar. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.